Okay, here's the flimsy aftermarket one. I mean, we're not going to throw it away. We'll keep it, but I'll probably never ever use it again. And here's the new one that we installed with the grommet lock from Gopro. And you're looking at it like, okay, well, this will be a good one to. I've got to aim a camera in the sky because I want to catch the cloud movement with time-lapse photography. But all we have to do is twist that like that, because that's the way those things work. And then we're going to fine-tune that camera and get it perfectly lined up so that it sees what we want it to see, and lock everything in. Of course, you got to have your tagline on, especially with these cheap after factory or one-off mounts. You know what I'm saying? You definitely got to have a tagline on those. But I've never had a camera fall off, but I've always used the good GoPro ones. Anyways, we're gonna get this camera 100%.